Hi my friends, let's model the part number 41 gearbox cover from my collection of 100 parts. The picture of this part is this one. As you can see, there are three main features: an extrusion and two round features. The drawing shows the shapes and dimensions. It is not so complicated as it seems to be, but we have to take care with every element. The undimensioned fillets are 3 millimeters in radius. We start with this contour and then we extrude it on 24. The part is also presented here. Then we create the two round features, this one by extrusion and this one by revolving. This is the hollow features of the part, and let's start. Horizontal is X. We create that contour using our specific style with arcs after a first line, taking care of how to draw them to have a good connection. You see, these two lines are vertical, okay, because this is parallel with a vertical, and only here is missing a tangency. This point must be coincident with the center point. These two centers to be on the same horizontal, also these two, and equal these two arcs and equal these two arcs. Yes, this makes the center of this to be on the same vertical with the center point. And now let's place dimensions: 38, 90, 103.4, 139, and this distance between centers. We use these dimensions. 139 is this one. Yes, this is okay. Radius of 38, 90, 10, and 103.4. and the distance of 53 between these two centers. Let's place this distance 53. Okay, now we have a fully constrained sketch. Home, extrude 124, I said 24. Okay, now the cylindrical extrusion of 57 and 67 minus 24, because we start here. Remember this. A circle in the center point of its projection, 57, extrude this on 67 minus 24. Okay, we can apply also a hole of 46 through 46 on this face, this concentricity, and diameter of 46. Okay, and now let's turn the part. So, to apply the hollow inside, which is presented here, diameter of 64, 125, radius of 6, and the distance between them of 87. We use these dimensions. A circle of 64, another circle of 125, a distance between these two circles of 87. Now we use trim to eliminate this too, but I have a missing dimension. What is it? What is it? What is it? Who tell me? Look, what is it? Yes, I didn't place on the same vertical the two centers. Now is okay. Finish sketch, extrude. Extrude on 18. Extrude the other direction because it's cut. 18. Okay. These two are with radius 6. Okay. Now we create here a revolution external construction. Yes, diameter of 56, 35, and dimensions 80 and 75. That's all, measured all from the base. Okay, we create a sketch on this plane. With that construction. Line, line, line. And close. Close. Okay. Collinear this line with this line. Yes. This is center line. Dimensions were mentioned. From the base is 80. Also from the base is 75. Diameters are 56 and 35. One dimension is missing, the distance from here to here. But if we remember, this dimension is 87, and I have no intention to place here 87, but to find the parameter of 87, which is D20. Yes, D20 is 87. If somebody change this, I want to be changed also this dimension. Yes, so I place a dimension here, not a linear diameter, but D20. I copy that parameter. When this is changed in the history of this part, will be changed also this. Good. Now revolve. Very simple. Okay. Another sketch is on the interior. F7 to see the interior. The contour is a bit complicated with this line, a clearance, a step, and not parallel lines to be placed here, simmering. Maybe we have a detail with 14 degrees symmetrical here, and the diameter, and we'll have all them in attention, but we start with the contour line from here the clearance. This is not horizontal, but I'll make horizontal. The step, and then that two sloped lines, and finish. Yes, I place here, first I make this equal, then I place an angle of 14 degrees. Yes, this is to be horizontal. Horizontal, this. Oh no, this is horizontal. Why? This is vertical. So I apply vertical to this line. No, this is not good. Maybe it's parallel with this line. This is possible. F8, and yes, You see, when I hover here, I see the parallel. Delete, and now which is horizontal, which is vertical. This is vertical. Yes, vertical. Now F9 to hide them, and let's start from the top with this 30. The interior is necessary 22.5, and these dimensions after 75, which was used, 72, 69, 3 is the clearance, and the diameters 46, 47 clearance, and 35 the step here. Good. We use them this diameter, but I don't have an axis here. Axis starts in the midpoint here, so this is easy. Yes, look, I can bring in position this cannot be moved on horizontal. We make collinear this with a line from I need to project this line to make collinear this line with this line. Yes. And I also need to close the contour. This line is center line. Yes. And now diameters. This is 22.5. This is 30. Then we have 2.8, 4.5, 2.8 for this point, from this line, 2.8, and 4.5. Okay, this point must be somewhere here. 3 is the clearance, and there is a dimension of 72 and 69. To the bottom. 72, 69, and diameters of 46, 47, the clearance, and the last is this one, which is 35. Fully constrained. Finish sketch, revolve, cut, and OK. Now let's place the four protuberance, this four protuberance with holes inside. Two of them are just here of 28. You see they are outside the body. Radius 10, this means diameter of 20. We have these 2 points, we create these two, and we make all of them a circle with this center, and this I have to bring to catch a green point. Yes, not here, not here, but a green point is definitely okay. And the other two, which must be equal in diameter with this one, and on the same horizontal, I draw a line from center to center. I ask for placing on a vertical, and now these two are symmetrical. Yes, you see. Okay, what is the distance? The distance is of the line. The distance is 97, and the other dimension is from here to here, 35. Okay, finish sketch. Extrude 1, 2, 3, 4 of 28 from the basement. Yes, 28, and the basement is 24. So we write here 28 minus 24. Okay, holes. Every of them has a hole of 10 millimeters. Hole, but I prefer other way. I prefer to project every circle to obtain centers, and I apply hole only once, not 46, of course, 10. And I select one by one these four centers, and we have holes well placed. Other holes are these two of 9, metric 9. This is an exception, metric 8, metric 10. But if this is, we have to respect. 11 with 97. 97 is for both. Yes, we have the same. So I'll place them on the same vertical. I place 2 points at 8, 11 from these two. 2 points, 1 and 2, each one to be on the vertical with this, and both to be on the same horizontal, actually at 11. Good. 2 holes of metric 9. Isometric profile 9. The pitch is 1.25 like metric 8. Metric 10 is 1.5. On the right hand, through. Okay. Are they threaded? Yes, they are. The last are these 2 holes, which are counterbore 14 with 3 with 6.5, placed where? Placed at 24 and 64. I start with placing the 2 points somewhere in the air, connected by a line which must be horizontal. This kind, no problem, with its midpoint on the same vertical with the center point, and at a distance of 24. The length of the line must be 64. And then the 2 holes, the 2 counterbore holes. Counterbore, they are 14, 3, 6.5. This is okay. So everything is fine. Good. Last thing, fillets. You see there is only one with radius 6. It was this, but it's consumed. The only one, because the others are radius 3. Radius 3 here, 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 also this, and also at the bottom here inside. Yes, these 2 are to be also with radius 3. This is not difficult. We select and apply 6. Then we go further, selecting this and applying 3 instead of 6, and then 6, 3, 3, 3, all of them. And also external, yes, and internal. This, and the one, and the last. Okay, this is the part, my friends. Nothing else is necessary. Let's take an option for the material. Aluminium. This aluminium with no other, but no, the face, and with machining some faces, internal, external, and all they need. Aluminium polished. Yes. Now, oh, there are here also some faces to be machined. I suppose also this must be machined. This is the clearance. It is not necessary. The data is 900 grams. That's all for today.